Who are you?
No one seems to grasp the concept of the mask.
Freeze! You've been struck by Spider-Man!
How are you even cooler under your mask?
I was just cool the whole time.
You have a metal arm? I love you guys. Thank you.